Welcome to Cooking with Melinda and Phil. Oh, we're Professor Chef. I put my name first, too.
Alphabetically, I'm the first.
Yeah, but I was born before you.
Yeah, you are. You're a
I'm
lot
taller than
older.
you.
Yes, you
And
are.
I got better cooking experiences than you.
That's debatable.
All right.
Anyway, well, welcome. Once again, my name's Melinda Coletta. His name is Philip Griffin. I think he's my husband. Together we're Professor Chef, and we teach you how to play with your food. So, this is day 3.
Of the chicken saga.
Quarantine kitchen chicken saga.
All right, so we're going to be making a curry chicken salad. Now, I could easily just go in the refrigerator and get the jar of Miracle Whip, or what's down south, Duke's.
Oh, Duke's.
Yeah, so I think we could do that.
Gotta have Duke's mayo.
But we're not going to do that. We're going to be making our own
Yeah.
salad mayonnaise dressing.
Okay.
Right, so in here we have 3 egg yolks from Stamp Farm,
And what size eggs are they?
extra jumbo.
Super jumbo,
They are
and they
so
are
good.
amazing.
Yeah.
Greenville Avenue, Stamp Farm.
Right, so we add a little bit of Dijon mustard because that helps stabilize it,
What do you mean by stabilized?
keeps it from breaking.
Ah, okay. What do you mean by breaking?
That means the oil and the so we're making an emulsified dressing.
Okay.
It's like a mayonnaise, so it all has to be held together. If it wasn't, they'd be separated. Oil,
Right.
like oil and vinaigrette.
Yeah.
Right, so we're not doing that. So I put that in here. Where's my lid?
Man, I can't find anything.
Can't say that on TV.
I know, I wasn't.
Alright, so we're going to be using California olive ranch avocado and olive oil blend.
Yes.
I tasted it. It's got a little bit of a pepper to it.
Which is good.
It's a nice little blend. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle this into the food processor. A little bit too fast. Let's go down with it. So what's nice about this is I get 2 holes in here.
They can't hear you. I'm back.
The processor to them.
So on this little mini food processor, there's 2 holes on the top of it. So when you pour the liquid in, it just drizzles down onto the egg. We love this food processor.
And it's nice to have a small one. Alright. I can hear the sound of this changing.
Yeah.
Well, that means it's getting thicker. I'm going to slow this down a little bit.
Let's keep it there.
So now we got a base almost of like a mayonnaise. If it looks like it looks like it is.
It is mayo.
So the only thing with the mayonnaise is what?
I'll take that later.
I need it.
Okay,
So now I can add other things to it. We're gonna add a little bit of curry powder to it because we're making a curry
that's true.
salad. So I'm gonna add this to the mayonnaise. That's probably about a heavy teaspoon.
Yeah.
I need a little bit of sweetness in here.
So what do you add?
I'm adding some honey.
Where'd you get the honey?
I stole it from you, which you stole from your girls. A little bit of honey. We want a little bit of acid in here. So the acid that we're choosing is, you might have seen this if you were at Wicked Tulips. This is the honey ginger vinegar that we have.
It's so delish.
I don't want to pour too much of it in ahead of time, because if I do, I can again cause it to break.
And overpower with flavor.
So we have a little bit more, because I can tell by the color I need a little bit more. I need salt and pepper, please.
You know?
If you want to try something, if you've taken a class with us, we know we do this. Taste the salad dressing now.
Yep.
Then add your salt and pepper, and you'll notice a significant difference.
Yeah. So when you're taking a class with us in our home here, when what we say when we do this is salt brings out flavor, pepper adds flavor. And I think one of the biggest mistakes home cooks make is, oh, can't use too much salt, high blood pressure. You know, when you're putting a teaspoon of salt in
Something that hasn't had any salt in it.
it's, you know, it's not that much.
Now we're going to taste it, see how well we did.
And it makes a huge difference I think the thing I like the most is when we do our Downton Abbey class.
Needs more curry.
When we do our Downton Abbey class, and
There you go.
we do a lemon scented custard. It's a very light custard made with lemon, and we put a little bit of salt in it, and then we have people taste it, and they're like, "Oh my god!"
Okay.
And it's for a sweet application, and it really makes a huge
A little more
difference.
balsamic vinegar. And
And
another
a
good
little
pinch of
more
salt. A good thing of salt.
I haven't tasted anything yet, by the way. I never get to taste anything.
I'll let you taste it after this, okay? I promise.
All right.
You tasted my sauce yesterday.
Yeah, I did, but I had a guilty incident.
But you never give me good compliments. So, I mean, why would I have you taste things that you don't?
Because I got to make you try harder, right?
Okay. So I do have a clean spoon right here. So there's one for you.
Thank you.
If I wanted to recycle,
Okay.
I use the back end.
All right. Okay. That's pretty darn good. And it's not hot.
No.
It's not hot at all.
So curry can be very sweet. So
Yeah.
you'll see why you will see why I say that in a few seconds.
So they don't have taste of vision.
No, but you'll see why I say that. So you don't need the honey anymore. Don't need this anymore. Don't need the curry powder, and we'll put this off to the side.
Okay.
Okay? I'll give you this. Is that okay? Can I do that?
Grazie.
Muchas gracias, señorita. Alright, so now we're gonna take and we're gonna cut up the chicken. So if you look, this is some of the rosemary butter that we had on the other night. So what I'm doing now is when I'm cutting it, nice thin strips, and I'm listening to make sure I don't hear the sound of a bone or a piece of cartilage. Because if I do, I want to stop and I want to find that.
So for those of you who haven't been following along with this stuff, on Tuesday we made a lemon roasted chicken. Wednesday we took the leftovers and we made chicken croquettes last night. Now today we're making the chicken salad.
Chicken salad, yeah.
And I think we're done.
Yep.
And then tomorrow we're doing rice.
Rice pudding. Little, nice small chunks, but big enough so you can get a fork on it if you need to.
No dark meat, huh?
Well, there's a little bit of dark meat in there. I like the dark meat, so I
Well, it
use
has
that
more
first.
flavor, so what do you
I'm
need?
gonna put this in here.
Okay. Are you done with the,
No, because I got a little bit more scraps in this bowl here.
okay.
Use it all up. Not gonna go back.
No.
I'm not gonna put the skin in because the skin will not taste good in this application. This has got some dark meat in it. And I'm just gonna do a nice fine slice. This is probably the chicken tender, so I gotta cut out that
Cut out
little,
the tendon.
cut out that tendon.
Once again, if you're watching, he does not lift that knife up off the board. It's a smooth, and now he's being a jerk. He's going fast. It's a smooth motion.
It's a motion, yeah.
And you're cutting on the front, not on the back.
No, you cut with the back of the knife. You want the back.
No,
You want the knife to be here.
No, but what I meant was slide,
Slide like that.
slide forward.
Right, I'm done.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
So we can add whatever we want to this. We got raisins and we got cranberries. I'm only going to add one. I'm going to add the raisins because that's what I like. I'm going to add a lot because I like raisins. You can do whatever you like. So the cranberries we can put on another one. We also have some grapes here. You can add the grapes if you want to.
What kind of grapes are those?
These are cotton candy grapes.
Yeah, no.
I'm not going to add those because they do taste like cotton candy. They are good.
Yeah.
The grapes are nice texture. I would cut those in half or slice
Yes,
them.
yep. Especially if you have young children, this is like a choking hazard.
I do like apple, so I'm going to put some apple in here. So this is almost,
So what we're saying is that this chicken salad is all about you?
you can make your own if you want.
Well, I would have liked the cranberries. Well, cranberry and apple go together, don't
Yeah, I
they?
do. We can add the cranberry if you want. I don't mind the
No,
cranberry.
it's alright.
Alright, so I'm peeling the apple. And if you want to, we didn't do this, but we should have done it. We should have reconstituted the
Yep.
dried fruit.
We normally do, but this is a little bit different.
Yeah, and if you wanted to, who says you can't have a little bit of rum?
Well, yeah.
Can I have my knife back, please?
You want your knife.
Hey, all right, knife. Can I? Hey, never mind. I got a knife in
Here
here.
you go. There you go.
So, Kardashian method it.
Kardashian method means he's taking the cheeks off of the apple.
Give it a little slice.
I think these are the world's smallest apples. I don't think I've ever seen an apple that small.
All I know is they probably didn't. I'm not going to go down that road.
So, Sarah, are we the right way today? Last
Last night she was in
night
here.
we were sideways.
All right, so
I fixed it in editing though.
so we add the apples, and now we add
The mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
When I was a little kid, my grandfather, who was from Turkey, who was born in Constantinople, which is now Istanbul, Turkey, he would make two things. He would make mayonnaise, and he would make baklava, and both were spectacular.
Baklava, is that like what we talked about last night?
No, yeah. Baklava is the Greek dessert. Baklava is
The salted
the
cod.
salted cod in Italian. Let's see.
What do you think?
Yeah, it looks pretty. It looks pretty.
Yeah.
You know, because you got color in there.
So we're gonna serve this on some Boston lettuce.
Oh, you should have had the portion scoop.
I'm trying, okay?
You are trying. You are trying. I know. So, low carb, right?
Oh yeah.
Does this negate all the stuff we've been eating while we're in quarantine?
I mean,
We haven't been too bad.
No.
Except for ice cream.
We don't have it. We don't eat it.
Yeah. But ice cream is the devil.
Yeah.
So.
We tried to get some ice cream today. So we had to make a run to the farm.
We had to go.
The ice cream bar. We couldn't get any ice cream there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good. All right.
All right. So
Wash
that's
my
it.
hands.
That's it. So this is your curry chicken salad with some raisins, cranberries, and apple.
Apple. I'm not a nut fan.
You married
except for
one.
when I married. Nuts would be good in here. Almonds, slivered almonds would be really nice. What I like about this,
You know what? And I'm not a huge walnut fan. I think the bitterness. I know.
I really hate walnuts.
I know, but I think the bitterness of the walnuts and the texture would go
But
well.
what's nice about this salad is you got a lot of what they call mouthfeel.
Yes.
You get some crispiness, you get some chunkiness, you get some softness.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good mouthfeel to it. So I'm gonna just try a little bit. This way I use up some leftovers.
Proud of yourself?
Most of them.
Most of the time. Okay. All
I
right.
spend more money on to cook it.
Yeah, I know. I was born with it. I'm Italian. Ah. So, tomorrow night we are doing
You said this already.
the rice pudding. Saturday, we're going to be doing a Zoom call. It's going to be interactive, and
That's why I went to the farm. We gotta get milk.
we're going to be making mozzarella, ricotta, and a yogurt cheese.
So remember to go to YouTube, hit the subscribe button,
Subscribe.
and if you want tickets for Saturday, you can buy it on Professor Chef's site.
ProfessorChef.com.
Yep.
That's everything.
That's
All right. See you tomorrow night. Live at 5.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.